Hey little calico, do you want to find a partner for the new year? Take a look at this one of mine. His mom is a Maine Coon, and his dad is a Norwegian forest cat, so he is both gentle and family-oriented. Most importantly, his coat color is very rare. Wait, I also have a chimera cat, and it's not just any ordinary chimera. Wait, one more second. I have a big tabby cat too. He's super handsome. There's just one tiny little flaw. He has incredibly short legs. Failed again. But that's okay. Let's go ask some other female cats.